Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today we had amazing volatility in the market and most of my traders bank amazing profit today, more than 100 plus pips today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help those traders to bank profit and the best trade of the day. Well, let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the EURUSD 4-hour chart, we were short yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, video link is given in the video description. So we had this breakout, bank few PPs, and today we were expecting another pullback at this level after the breakout. So we had this pullback, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the major support level. And then this is the daily support level, as you can see here, previously price respected. So after that, as soon as the price is reversed, because after the FOMC meeting, high impact news, we have taken a long trade here and banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze for the pullback and how I analyze market for the long, both trades. And we had amazing trade today. We really loved it today. Okay, if you look at the Euro USD, let me share with you. Let's start from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, as you can see here, we had this breakout, bank beautiful pips as always. After the breakout, pullback. That's what exactly we're looking here, bank few pips. And at the New York session, I did another, my market developed sideways market. So we have another breakout. As soon as the price hit, bank beautiful pips. And after the news, expecting another breakout. After the breakout, as always, pullback. We have another small pullback. We bank only few pips. As soon as the price developed a double bottom here, I did another analysis instantly. I explained to my trader, look here, the 4-hour, the price action, we can see some rejection at this level. As you can see here, in intraday, price develop double bottom, and I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level pre-recent high, then we're going to keep taking a pullback and long trade here. So we had this breakout, symmetric triangle pattern breakout, momentum was developed bullish, and we have this breakout trade here. And afterwards we have another pullback here. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. You can see in Euro USD, we also had a short trade, we also had a long trade, and bank beautiful pip. Let me share with you the pound dollar. We had amazing trade this morning. CPI data was very good for the cable. We had this long trade in 4-hour. We had a long trade from here. As soon as the price hit this level, we banked beautiful pips. At the New York session, we were short here, and after the FOMC meeting, once the price respect this level, we were long here. So we have taken a long, short, and long. That's what we did in intraday. And because we watch in 4-hour and analyze entries in intraday, let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. Okay, so if you look at this morning, 7 o'clock, 7:30, just before the London Open, we analyze every day. So we had this long trade here, this long trade here, and that was the price was at this level. Explain to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, after the breakout pullback, you can see here beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, which is the, you can see here, fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. And let's see if you can get another pattern develop. So after that, you can see here at the New York session, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader. That's what exactly you can see here. My drawing, I explained to my trader, look for pullback, and then we're looking here, short trade here. And that's what I explained. But the safest trade, I explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level. And as you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful breakout at the New York session. And then afterward, pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low in 4-hour. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And then wait for the FOMC meeting point. So then you can see here, FOMC meeting, we had this breakout, short trade here. Once I explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this blue fib channel, and if price respect, so technically we will have inverted head and shoulder pattern, expect a long trade here. And that's what I did this analysis instantly. As you can see here, price nicely broken this one. And let me share with you guys. Okay, so that was the analysis here. This is the analysis I did here. So as soon as the price reverse, I explained to my trader, the price develop a head and shoulder pattern. So we're looking at this breakout and pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, exactly the same level, said to my trader, enjoy profit. So we had an amazing trade on pound dollar. Let me share with you the dollar CAD. We had an amazing trade. Most of the traders, they were expecting a short, but we were keep taking a long trade. We had a short trade as soon after the FOMC meeting. Let me share with you guys. If you look at we were expecting a short trade here, but as I said to you in intraday, we were expecting we have a rules to take a short trade here. As you can see here, we have taken a long trade here and we have taken a short trade here. Let me share with you what's the rule we have it, and I'm going to explain to you. We have this rule basically. If you look at here, explain to matter, this was the yesterday trade. I believe that if the price gonna break and retest, as long as the price stay above this orange EMA, we are interested only long trade here. So okay, so this is the analysis. Let me share with you the today's morning analysis. Okay, this is the morning analysis. We had it, and explain to matter, look for this breakout. Based on the momentum, we were expecting a long, price nicely broken, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards, after the breakout, we have another sideways market develop at the New York session. We have another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, this is what we use it for overbought, and explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. And just before the FOMC meeting, I did another analysis. We have another beautiful breakout as soon as the price develop a double top here, and that's what I did, updated my analysis instantly and explained to my trader possibility of short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely developed double top here, and price could not maintain the previous level, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break, then we're going to keep taking a pullback short trade here. You can see here after the breakout, 1 2 3 4 5 pullbacks here. So we really enjoy this really, and most of the traders, I just said to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, just keep adding more trade on scaling trade on dollar CAD. As soon as the price hit to this level, which is this resist support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see guys, we had amazing trade today, and all of the trades has been analyzed in 4 hours and explain entries and exit. That's what exactly our rule is in intraday. As long as the price stay below this or blue line, this orange EMA, we just looking only short trade here, or if the price is above, we are looking a long trade here, and that's why we were long on dollar CAD. Bank beautiful pips, amazing trade. We can see here we have a beautiful breakout on euro yen. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. We have another beautiful breakout trade this afternoon. As you can see here, beautiful breakout long trade here. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but as always mentioned guys, the most interesting part of it, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I train and coach trader with the live market in real time through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.